Welcome to the channel. So you guys know I'm always searching for the best tool deals. One of the places that I frequently check is Direct Tools Factory Outlet. And currently they extended one of their sales. It started yesterday. It was supposed to be a day only, but they extended it. So I wanted to make you guys aware of it. Currently right now, they're doing 35% off almost everything plus free shipping. So shipping alone is usually a flat rate of $14.99. And as long as you use code FEELINGLUCKY at checkout, you'll get free shipping, and they're doing some pretty good deals on Ryobi, Ridgid. And in case you don't know, Direct Tools Factory Outlet sell factory reconditioned products, and these products are inspected, repaired, and tested to ensure quality, and they are backed by a 1-year warranty. And then they also sell factory blemished. So factory blemished products come with a manufacturer's warranty, which is pretty nice. All right, guys, so let's check out some of these deals. Right here, we got the Ryobi HP 6-inch pruning chainsaw coming in at $91. It says it's 35% off. Once again, remember, free shipping on this, so it's just going to be $91 plus tax. This is factory blemish, so it's going to come with the full manufacturer's warranty. But if we go ahead and check out Home Depot, we got this same one, brand new, of course, but $149. So nice pickup here at Direct Tools. Really nice discount at $91. Here is another deal I seen. They got the Ryobi 12.5-inch thickness planer, also factory blemished, coming in at $240.50. But if you go over to Home Depot's website, they got this for $400. So another really good deal during this Direct Tools sale. All right, guys, so here's another good deal. The Ryobi HP 1/4-inch impact driver coming in at $45.50. Check Home Depot. Home Depot's got this coming in at $89.97. So another really good pickup, and they're doing a deal where you get this polishing kit for free. So these are like little attachments here for, I think they're polishing to polish like soft metals and stuff like that. So you get 2 of these kits for free that they're just throwing in. But the price alone is a really good deal at $45.50. Here's another good deal. They got the HP 3/8-inch right angle drill coming in at $71.50. Comes with that free polishing kit also. Got the 6-tool combo kit for $182. Got another HP tool combo kit, 4-tool kit here for $195. Factory blemished also. And you're also getting that polishing kit for free. This one looks like it's going to come with the drill, impact, the recip, and then also the 6.5-inch circular saw. Then they got another setup here with the drill, impact, and the recip, one-handed recip. You also get the cutoff tool here. So depending on what tools you may need, and this one's coming in at $188.50. They also got some Ridgid tools going on. Most of the Ridgid tools, I did notice that they are going to be factory reconditioned, so they do come with a warranty, but that warranty is only going to be for 1 year. But here is a factory blemish, so this is going to get the full manufacturer's warranty. $130 for this, 35% off, and this is the 2-tool combo kit. So this is also going to come with some batteries. So batteries included with this. You get your bag, your charger, drill, impact, and with this one, you're going to get 2 of the 2 amp hour max output batteries. So if we go ahead and check out Home Depot, this is coming in at $229. So same setup there, but $229 at Home Depot. You come over Direct Tools, and you're picking this up for $130. Huge discount on that. And like I said, factory blemish, so you still get the full manufacturer's warranty with this one. And they're also throwing in that free polishing kit also. So not a bad pickup. Now, if you don't care about the factory reconditioned, they got similar one right here for $117. So a few more bucks off on that, but this one is factory reconditioned, so that's just going to provide you with a 1-year warranty on that one. So yesterday when I was searching through this, a couple things I did pick up was, one of them was the 7.25-inch miter saw, but I end up getting the 7.25-inch sliding compound miter saw. It's factory blemish, so it's going to come with the full warranty. This I picked up for $143. 35% off. So Home Depot has this for $239, 7¼ inch sliding compound miter saw, 18 volt, tool only on this. So real nice pickup. They do have the non-sliding for $84.50. Another really good deal on that. And then along with the compound miter saw, I picked up the universal miter saw quick stand. This one is factory reconditioned. $54.99 for this one. This one was 31% off. But as you guys know, if you guys looked at these, you're going to spend a lot more at Home Depot for the Ryobi quick stand. So a couple good deals that I picked up yesterday on this sale. Here's the 10-inch compound miter saw, $78. They got some saw blades you can pick up. And then they do have the factory reconditioned 7¼ inch sliding compound miter saw for $130. So another good deal there, depending on what you guys want. They got factory reconditioned or the factory blemish, which the factory blemish is what I went with. Go ahead and check out some of the rigid tools here and see what they got going on. Like I said, I noticed that the rigid tools, most of them are factory reconditioned. But if you don't have a problem with just a 1-year warranty, then they got some pretty good deals. Here is the 21-degree framing nailer, $169 for that. They got the recip saw for $84.50, 2-amp-hour battery for $26. 18-gauge brad nailer, $97.50. Here's a pretty good deal. They got a factory blemished, which comes with the manufacturer's warranty. Rigid 2.5-inch 16-gauge finish nailer. They got this coming in at $149.50. So I'm going to go ahead, just copy this number, and we'll go up here and put it into Home Depot's website, and we'll see what this pops up as. So 9892B, $259 at Home Depot. So $259, 16-gauge, 2.5-inch straight finish nailer, tool only. And then you come over to Direct Tools and be able to pick this up for $149.50. Shipped to your home, free shipping included. And it is factory blemish, so it comes with the manufacturer's warranty, which is nice. Got some other stuff. Got the mid-torque impact wrench for $91. Half-inch impact wrench, $78. Circular saw, $84.50. High torque impact, $130. Here's the subcompact 6.5-inch circular saw for $71.50. And then if you're looking for a rigid miter saw, $117 for the 10-inch. I got the multi-tool up here for $45.50. Only 9% off on the rigid compact miter saw stand. Got that at $99. Here's the inflator. Really nice inflator. $45.50. If you're looking for an inflator, I would suggest getting that one. That's the one I got, and I like it a lot. I got the grease gun, $97.50. But tons of deals going on, guys. I just wanted to put this out there. I didn't even go through half of the deals that's going on at Direct Tools Factory Outlet. Just skimmed through some of the deals that caught my eye. And I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you guys want to see all the deals, just go ahead, check Direct Tools Factory Outlet. I'm not affiliated with these guys at all. I just bought a lot of tools from them at really good discounted prices. I've bought factory reconditioned and factory blemished and haven't had an issue with anything. Only thing I had an issue with, I did buy a generator from them that was a Ryobi generator, and the gas gauge did not work. But I was able to take it to a local Ryobi dealer that did warranty work, and I was able to cover it under warranty and get it fixed for free, and now it's working perfectly fine. So hopefully this video was helpful, you guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about these deals. Love to hear it. Hopefully you found some value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.